Hello everyone, in today's video lesson we're gonna learn about bubble sort, and first I'm gonna explain how bubble sort works and how to implement that in C++. Let's not forget to like and subscribe the videos. First I have made a diagram to explain how bubble sort works, and initially we have an array of 5 elements. Initial array is 18, 7, 9, 5, 81. And the first comparison takes place between element at index 0 and element at index 1. Obviously 7 is less than 18 and there is a swap. Then we compare 18 with the following element at index 2. 18 is greater than 9, so there is a swap. And then 18 is compared with 5 at index 3. Of course, 18 is greater than 5 and there is a swap. 18 is not greater than 81. There's no swap. So as you can see, the element 18 is moving towards the end of the array. The next phase, we're going to have comparison between element 0 and element at index 1. 7 is less than 9. There is no swap. 9 is greater than 5, then there is a swap, and 5 moves to the left and 9 moves to the right. And as you see, 9 is compared with 18, no swap needed, and 18 with 81, no swap needed. At the end, 7 is compared with 5 again, and 5 is less than 7, there is a swap. And towards the end, the final array will look like this: 5, 7, 9, 18, 81. To implement this in C++, I'm going to create a new project, console application, click go, C++, click next, and I'm going to call this project bubble sort. Click next, click finish. On the left hand side, double click on sources, double click on main. And the first thing in main, we're going to declare a couple of integers, int I, j, k, and l, which is going to be equal to 0, semicolon. And an array will be declared, which is going to be equal to, open and close braces, 18, 7, 9, 5, 81, semicolon. And now we're going to create an integer that will hold the size of the array. Size of the array. This integer is going to be equal to pointer and array plus 1 minus array, semicolon. And right now we're going to output the initial array before sorting is going to be equal to end of line, semicolon. And right here we're going to declare a for loop for I equals 0, semicolon, I less than size of array, semicolon, I plus plus. And we're going to output all the elements of the array, cout array at I, end of line, semicolon. And right now we're gonna declare another for loop for I equals 0, semicolon, I less than size array, semicolon, I plus plus, and another for loop. So we have here a nested loop for j equals I plus 1, semicolon, j less than size of array, semicolon, j plus plus, and there is an if statement here. If array at j is less than array at I, and right now we're gonna have k is gonna be equal to array at I, semicolon, array at I is going to be equal to array at j, semicolon, and array at j will be equal to k, semicolon. Right now we have cout. The sorted array would look like this. End of line, semicolon. For I equals 0, semicolon, I less than size of array, semicolon, I plus plus, and then cout array at I, end of line, semicolon, and then at the end we have another cout, the number of swaps that took place is equal to L, end of line, semicolon. And let's not forget here we have to do L plus plus semicolon, so it keeps count of the number of swaps. So we're gonna click build and run and see how the program is doing. Build and run. Here we go. Initially is 18, 7, 9, 5, 81. The sorted array is 5, 7, 9, 18, 81. and the number of swaps that took place is 10. We can move sorted array here and put it in here. It's going to be more legible this way. I'm going to build and run again. As you see, the initial array is a mixed bag. Sorted array is correctly sorted, and there are 10 swaps that take place to get this array sorted. And let's take a look at the code again.